Hi guys, my name is Jazz and welcome to my channel.
Hey, this is not your channel, this is our channel. Hi guys, my name is Omi.
Okay, this is my husband Omi, this is our channel, but I put the rules here. Welcome to our channel. We are so happy to have you here today, guys. And for today's video, we're going to be making something extremely easy and so fun. Okay, so we have this wall here. It's just very boring. It is white and it is basically our entryway. So we're going to try to make over this area and put some really good stuff that I just have and make this area look super nice.
As we live in a rental apartment, we can't damage the property at all, so we're gonna use materials that are really easy to remove.
Yeah, so we're going to be making these super budget friendly, super easy to you guys, and we're going to be making like a shiplap wall DIY. So yeah, we can use like wood, like real wood to make the shiplap because we live in a rental apartment, so this is going to be just so much easier and it's going to look amazing. So we're going to be using this very thin tape. It is a black tape to make our shiplap wall. We're also going to be using these, that is like a ruler?
Angular.
Right? Angular? Yeah, we're going to be using these just to make the measurements and just
we're going to hold the items.
Yeah, we're going to need a pencil just to mark and a blade, and this is not necessary because this is actually a tape, but I think it works great with the edges just to make sure that the tape is not going to fall off. So let's get started with this project.
Let's go. So the first step, we're gonna measure the distance between each line, and in our case we're gonna do it 5 inches from each other. You can do it more or less depending on how you like it, but in our case we're gonna do it 5 inches each.
Okay guys, so we already have all the measurements and now we're going to start gluing, putting the tape. This is the tape, and on the edges we're going to be putting like this adhesive. It's like a super glue. We're going to be leaving all the links of the things that we're going to be using in the description box, so you can go and check all the things. We're going to basically just start putting the tape from side to side and reinforce all the edges with a small dot of glue. Right? So let's get started. so we basically are done with all the wall. This is how it's going to be looking, and I really like it. We use just like one. They come 6 in a package, I think, I'm not sure, but I just use one of these tapes and I still have enough for make another complete wall. Yeah, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so now it is time to decorate. I'm good at that.
Yeah.
You can go, you can just...
I did this just in case.
Oh no, you don't. Okay guys, so to decorate this wall, I'm going to be using things that I have at home, things that are thrifted. Basically all the things that I'm going to be using to decorate this wall, all of them are DIY, so you can go to my channel, DIY Homemade Crafts, and if you come from there, just thank you so much guys. We're so happy to have you here, and please make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. And I just said hit the bell with a thumbs up. Anyway, give me a thumbs up. Give this video a big thumbs up. And let's continue with this project. Okay, so I'm going to be putting this shelf. I made these on my main channel. I just get this for $1.
Don't hit me with that thing. Don't hit me with it.
I get this for only $1 at the thrift store. I just painted, and this is how it looks, and I'm going to put it here. And it is a great idea to have a shelf on your entryway. You can actually hang things from here, and you can put so many decor pieces right here. So I'm going to be using this baby to put on my entryway. You put it.
All right. So now we're going to be working on the bottom part. I found this on the trash. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be like a coffee table or a bench. It was completely different, so it was like so bad. So I fixed this, I painted, and I'm going to be using this like a bench, and I'm going to be decorating this part now. Things that are great to decorate your entryway, I think they can be pillow cover, throw pillows. You maybe could put throw blankets if you have them too. Maybe like a ladder. I'm going to be using these pillows that I have. I make this in a DIY video. The links are going to be in the description. So I'm going to be putting this too. So first I'm going to be adding the tray, and I have this one. It is like a galvanized one. And I add a pumpkin, a few weeds here, and this vase that I just get in a thrift store. And I'm also going to be adding this. It is like, this is a vase I painted in a copper color, and then I add just some weeds to make sure that I have things like in different levels, and this one is higher, lower, you know, play with those items. The last part will be these on the bottom of the bench, and I'm going to be using these basket that I have. I'm going to put it here to add texture and a different color. I'm going to be adding this is actually a runner, but nobody needs to know that. So I'm going to be putting this here, and I'm going to be adding these two buckets. They are galvanized bucket. I think they are from Hobby Lobby from last year. And I'm also going to be adding these stems from Walmart only on one of the buckets to make sure that it's not going to look like too much. And that will be all. I'm going to be putting this here. I think it looks nice. It adds that farmhouse look that I love. And yeah, it is super simple to make these DIYs, and I hope that you like it.
fun with the wall, and it was so much fun to make this project. Super easy and simple and budget friendly. And so many people ask me on my main channel, how do you use all the items and the DIYs that I made throughout my house? So this is a really good example how I use all the DIYs to decorate my home. So guys, we really hope that you like and enjoy, have fun in today's video. And if you do, give us a big thumbs up. That really helps to support our channel. And make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. And we hopefully see you on our next video.
Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.